Jutten Island lies just outside Saldanha Bay and is visible from Malgas Island, which we've visited quite often. Like Malgas, it has a significant history, started by the thousands of birds which live here. In the early 19th century, guano, or bird droppings, was seen as a valuable commodity. The South American Incas had used it as fertilizer for centuries, and the idea had caught on. More than 400 ships crowded the harbour to grab this white gold. Both islands have a small complex of houses built for these guano collectors, and added onto when egg collectors then took over after the guano rush. Most are now in various states of ruin and are used only by the birds which have returned, but the history remains. Jutten may have been transformed with its buildings and series of walls everywhere, but the birds have returned in their thousands. Cormorants mass on the rocks. Penguins traipse determinedly inland regardless of the walls, and oyster catchers scour the rocks for food. Gulls flock inland, and rabbits, bizarrely, also scratch out a living here, another relic of the guano hunters. A population presumably brought in originally as food, the meal that most likely got away.